Okay, you guys, let's go through the multiple choice stuff super fast. So I have the answers highlighted for us. So A union B would be all of A and all in B, but then it says intersection C. So where A and B touch C are regions 4, 5, and 6. Okay, the next one, circle the event whose probability is closest to 1. Well, picking a blue sock from a drawer containing 18 blue socks and 2 black socks. You have a really high probability, 18 out of 20 of doing that. Everything else is lower. So that's 90%. The amount that my stylist charges me to dye my hair is dependent on the length of my hair. So this is the relationship. Y is equal to 20 plus 5x, where Y is the cost and all of that jazz. So it wants us to then talk about this. Interpret the meaning of the slope. So here's the thing, the slope. So for every inch of hair, it's going to cost me $5, which is what's going on with the slope. So this next question wants you to interpret the y-intercept. The y-intercept is that $20. So this is what that equation is telling me. Regardless, if I go in and don't have my hair cut at all, it's going to cost me $20. So if I had no hair, my stylist is just going to charge me $20 to dye my what? Scalp. Okay, the next one. On this one, you guys, you got to look through this. Cardinal number, remember, is a number. Combination, expected value, permutation, Venn diagram. When we look through the problem, which of the formulas should I use to count how many different sets of 3? That means combination. Next one. This one. Which formula should I use to determine how much the value of the stock will change on average? It's an expected value because you have a 50% chance, 30% chance, and 20% chance. So it'd be 0.2. You'll get $20. 30% chance goes down in value, which you'll lose $10. And then there's the 50% chance that you will have change in value, expected value. On this one, permutation. So we'll assume I can remember which jokes I've told and won't repeat any. Which formula should I use and how? Repeat any. How many different ways could I deliver the 5 jokes? So when it says different ways, that means order matters, which is a permutation. Next one, the complement, right? That's the thing. So a lot of us, A is the positive set of even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And then it says intersection of B complement. Well, B is the multiples of 3. So I've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Well, this are the intersections, so it can't be the intersection, right? It has to be the complement. So I'm looking for 1, 2. Well, that would work. 3, 4. 4 is a value that worked. 5, 6 won't. 5, 6. Excuse me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 would work. 9, 10 is in the complement. So over here, 6 won't work, 9 won't work, 12. 17 is not an even number. The only one that works is C. And last but not least, the last two, cardinality. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are in set? 4. And last but not least, right, mutually exclusive. And this is a way to view it as a Venn diagram. Right? Here's A, here's B. If A happens, does it affect B? If B happens, does it affect A? Not at all, so that's why you have a probability of 0.